Says MOTO Stunt Triple Tree. It's either I drill this out or I just buy the right ones.
Right, the 9 mil.
So right now we're taking off the Triple Tree, the stock Triple Tree, to put in the SS MOTO Stunt Triple Tree. But we already ran into a problem. There's going from the Stunt Triple Tree to put dirt bars. You got these Pro Taper clips. And they're way too big. Right over here. They're way too big. They don't fit inside the holes. So it's either I drill this out, drill the holes for them out, or I just buy the right ones. We just finished taking up most of the stuff from the bars, except for that grip right there and the front brake.
That works in very good.
So
what else we gotta take out?
We gotta take this off to get this. I don't know, I might just cut this. No, you're saying about I could just get new grips if I need to. So I might just cut this off. And, yeah.
Oh, that slides off with it? Like,
I think so, but this got a lot of tension on it.
Oh yeah, you're right.
So
Pretty sure.
you see that? I don't know. I'm kind of thinking we should just take this out. I guess fucking
They got steak and chicken.
Quick way. Steak and cheese or mac and cheese.
I want to know what he said.
So we got 1, 2,
I think we should keep him for a while.
3, 4.
Seriously, you made this truly a cheap crap. He ratted you out personally.
I wasn't like earlier. 4 days out.
Who gives a shit about that? You won the lottery here.
And then
Got a little money in that.
Fuck it.
Have you ever done that shit? Where you put the ball in and then you put a nut in the middle and you put one on top.
Wait, say it again?
So like, right, you put the nut, like the ball in, and you put a nut in between here. Slide it up and then put another nut on top, and you tighten it as hard as you can.
Yeah, but I don't know if it's gonna go back. I don't know if it's gonna fuck this stuff up. I think it's just meant to slide off. We're just going with it. We're just gonna cut it.
can you put lettuce on the right?
This is my
That's
own
it.
steel.
Don.
No.
Alright. Thank you.
To badminton activities.
They said 20 minutes.
Oh my god. Should start with this.
Oh shit, can you give me a bet too while you're there?
We want.
A Snapple if they have the peach one. They definitely do. Peach Snapple.
You ever had the peach and raspberry snapple?
I'm not really a big.
Okay,
I guess they good.
You mind if I give you a nickel?
Just fucking took it off. Just took the fucking.
Yeah.
Yeah, look how dirty that is.
So,
The way things are right now, some people not
Oh,
think
no,
money,
glue on
but
there.
some people might say you're leaving her high and dry.
Well, we're not using this shit no more.
List that has the part numbers.
Maybe
do we have
that's
to run
some
some
trouble
first,
for us.
or-
Maybe they let your family stay in the house.
You want to do it?
After
It's
all,
kind
the
of fun.
house
I know you've done it
predates
before,
the
probably.
criminal enterprise. The last thing I want.
Power tools are.
That makes life way too easy, bro. What the fuck? That's a cheap
So there's the stabilizer
My
fucking
money
mount.
goes to my children, not just this
Nuts
barrel.
going
All of
there.
it.
Yo, bro, you wanna put this one? Sorry,
okay, cuz.
you wanna put that right next to the stabilizer?
The payback, what is
Now,
No effort.
Yeah, I just need to take this one, right?
Well, your ignition likely has.
417, no activity.
Well, I don't need to take the whole thing off. I just need to get it out of here so I can take the triple tree off.
Yeah.
I was from the bottom? Oh, that
Yeah.
sucks.
Yeah,
Okay, I see what
that's
you're
what I'm
saying.
saying.
I thought it was from up here.
No.
An extension. Like a short extension. If not, I have it.
For, what the size of that
Three.
is.
I got it.
It's gonna come together, buddy.
Indeed.
First stunt bike I actually made was stunt. With Joey was, well, what all of them were saying is, since this shit's so clean, like if I put new fairings and shit on it, I could sell it for like double what I got it. But what Joey was saying, which I also agree with him, is once I sell it, I'm going to spend money on something else. Not even like the bike, just other shit.
See how it goes.
Which is
I can't reach it, bro. I need that stuff.
Nah, he said some sort of work.
Try a socket.
The message.
Fucking makes that shit.
Or a
So what we're trying to do is we're trying to get the bolts right over here. Get the bolts for the ignition out right there. Can't fit anything in there. You got another extension.
Oh my god, dude.
We're gonna try it though.
Western Union cop, we have to settle these messages.
It's a lot harder than it looks.
Facts. I'm ready for the YouTube boys to tell us if there's something wrong.
You're real scary. Seems like a nice lady.
I mean, shit. I hope they do tell me something wrong, so next time it'll be easier.
50 pounds back to
That's too long.
ready to go.
Too long, you said?
Yeah, I have to cut a shorter one.
It's 92%.
Show them the contraption you just had though.
That's right.
Yo.
92%.
Nah, this is wild.
What you pay. That's what a lot.
Man.
Risk and a
retarded
round trip.
So we're still trying to figure this shit out.
To have an ongoing relationship. Normally, you and I would have already gone our separate ways.
I have it straight on right here.
Yeah, that's not
We
even.
just need something to loosen it, literally.
Oh boy.
And that side's gonna be even harder.
Tired of a nationwide manhunt. Your face is all over the side. You are the hottest client I've
side
ever
looks like it
had
might
by
be easier.
far. Stands to reason.
You should move yourself.
Got to keep out of sight.
Yeah, this side's a lot easier.
What is keeping it from stand?
There it goes. Alright, yep. So look now.
More thread lock. Well, either way, we have to take that out
Could
to
be tricky.
take it out. You know what I mean?
Yeah, you got a flathead.
Yeah, I have a flat head on this. It's a,
Right, this looks like it.
You pay good money for this.
if not,
Got
it's
two acres up here, lots of
skinny
wood,
room.
nice warm place. Seems to be just the spot for a man to rest up, think on things.
Oh no, is that the rivet part? I think that's a rivet he was talking
it
about.
is.
Oh
Got
shit.
a beautiful.
You're right, cuz.
Very helpful.
What you could do
See that right there?
in theory is if you
Right there's a rivet or something.
can't get to
We got the other
those,
side out, but we can't get that one
can
out.
get to those. If we take off these two and those two, then all this drops down, and then you can kind of get up in here a lot more. It seems. Yeah. So basically, if you unscrew these two bolts,
On both sides, right?
it all on both sides, it all drops.
Alright. Cluster, is there anything I have to like undo?
No, it's all gonna be right down here, sitting on a fender.
So we're taking these bolts out so we could drop the whole front end kind of
Oh
to get to this one screw on this side.
It's probably at the dealership right
R1
now.
or R1M?
Either or, to be honest.
Yeah, you and me both, bro.
Oh my god, this shit's.
Are you trying to get in?
If I can, yeah.
Baller.
You low-key do have to like.
Why don't you?
No problem.
Why don't
Alright, you know what, Jacob?
Yeah.
Get it off in the way you said.
Why don't you match Papa and get the Hayabusa?
Fuck no, nigga.
I gotta use chain locks. I'm trying to rip it off.
You're not gonna need it.
It's
Yeah,
threaded.
well, I didn't know. I guess if I ever need to put it back on, we could just fucking get a new set.
I don't want to squeeze it too much.
There you go.
I was just as you
Shit, right the fuck off.
Everybody's handing me cards today.
You know what's funny? They've always been mine.
It always is.
It's coming out.
Yeah. It's rising up.
I just like
towards
hitting
me.
his because it hits harder than mine.
Yay!
Looks like a deer in the headlights.
We need this anymore.
Yay!
And then you have a sensor of some sort?
That's our ignition.
This is
Oh,
going
yeah, right.
All right, so we gotta
So
take
you gotta
these.
take-
Yeah, we gotta take these bolts out,
She's
and the
doing
ignition
Texas
probably just drop
fast
down. Right?
sometimes.
There's the Z.
Leaves baby with a neighbor when she goes in.
Bro.
I saw her shopping one time. She was pretty good.
So,
And
So you gotta take all that shit out, right?
I'm like breaking in.
The problem is this whole thing could just come out in theory, right? But what the factory does is, because in theory you could just steal somebody's bike and then take this apart and take this out and change the ignition and have a new bike.
Yeah, literally.
So they do these weird fucking nuts that don't have like a thing, and it's just.
It's a dirt bike. I don't like how wide it feels.
Might have to.
I like it. It's easier to wheel it like that.
We could try.
Too many nights.
You just get it off now.
You have to use these or something special.
Probably gotta mount it down.
What's going on? Hold on a sec, honey.
Mount it for the center. Yeah, you definitely got side
You gotta get here first. You gotta get here.
I feel like it's.
I got the wheel.
This one gets looser, I think. But it feels like it's not going down all the same. This one feels like
it's because it's bottomed out. There's nowhere to go. It's bottomed out right here.
Is it really?
Oh, she's right.
Excuse me.
Just spit over. Hold
The
on.
geometry, yeah, I know.
Nope.
Yeah, you're bottom out, guys.
Do you know if we drop?
Take that off real
it?
quick.
Can you lower it?
Take it off.
Oh, this is a different suspension too, isn't it?
I don't know.
That's not the stock suspension.
I don't know about the fronts. I know the rear.
Take it
is.
off real quick. Take it off real quick.
You pour something in the bag.
What are you looking at?
What'd you guys take off? Like, where's the other Triple Tree?
The other Triple Tree.
Guys, this.
How thin is it? Is it a lot
I
thinner?
got an idea.
This is easily fixable.
And tap that. Hit this part. I'll hit in the middle.
The
That? What?
They put a bolt over it.
if we loosen this,
Well, we got it on, but it's just not going down anymore.
if we loosen the bottom ones, then we can lift all the forks themselves up an inch.
Oh, get it on the forks first.
Yeah.
No, that's weird. But then you gotta be
You're gonna be
careful
lower.
to not drop the thing because you have no.
Well,
triple
yes,
to hold on to.
yeah, I know. That's why I would strap it up. Saying is, the other
I don't know
clamp
where the triple
was more of a downward clamp, so it fit on it
So
like
it's pushed
that.
the fork,
So
yeah.
the forks, we have to loosen these up and lift the forks up an inch so that this
Would that
will
make the
have
bike kind of sit further?
a tiny bit. Yes.
It's not like these handlebars are connected here though; they're up here.
Well, I think maybe that's why people use these risers
Yeah.
instead of just connecting the bar straight to it. I think that makes a little bit of
But it's
sense.
only like
Oh shit! The whole Triple Tree is hanging
Yeah,
right
it
there.
is. Yeah, it is. That 100% is. See, that's definitely steel.
So
Yeah, look at this steel. It's part of the
this
frame.
Triple Tree is
This
like
the frame.
all straight and everything. It's just one solid block.
Steel setting.
I mean, there's probably people who know
We'll have to move the bike
specific fit,
over here, which means
and then this one you can see is like angled, so it fits over the center bolt and the shocks. Alright, it's uploaded, guys. Give it like 20 minutes, we'll have some answers. Until then, see you guys. Alright, here we go. We're gonna try to just
Thanks, dude.
lower, or we're gonna untighten the lower Triple Tree and slide the forks up a little bit. And hopefully that should fix the problem.
Alright, we're probably gonna leave here at like 7 or.
Watch your heads.
Good job. If we're gonna go that way.
Holy shit. That was beautiful, bro.
You're saying get another one to replace that one or attach?
No,
to?
attach it to.
Sketchy.
How? These are rated for like 3,000 pounds, dude. This bike weighs like all of 300.
So when I first started,
Here's this
bike
nut.
drop on.
Put this nut on too, so this don't move, so you could push it up. Otherwise, if you push it up,
shit.
this is just gonna pop off.
Yeah, hold that. Wait, yeah, how the fuck, how do you like, what am I holding so it doesn't go that far?
Wait, did anyone hear what I said?
No, I'm sorry.
Can we put the nut on here so when you guys do that, it's not just gonna pop it off? So
Okay.
you know what I mean?
Yeah, that makes sense.
Let's do one at a time.
The 19s are really nice. That's what most.
Well,
of the-
Right, Joe, did you tighten this, Joe?
I tightened it like snug.
Let's tighten it good and then.
19 but I have the 19X, so this side.
Yeah, you wanna hold these?
So then,
Like, hold them
26 and 27, only difference is 9 mil 40, right? The 9 mil, so the 40, or
That's pretty good for now at least. And then
I feel like that's a universal. I'm not trying to say, but
Triple clamp on. Both are same length. So now we gotta just get the risers for this, and then we could get the bars on and start putting her back together.
Go to a duel with that shit. Nigga said. Hell no.
All right. Oh, let's put this back on. Yeah, let's put that back on, and then we could call it a night. All right, boys.
let's go, dude.
Got the triple tree on. Nice tight down. Gotta figure out what we're gonna do with the bars. Put all the stuff back onto the bars. And then we'll be all set from there. We'll start wheeling this motherfucker.
Talk to
The
him,
bars
man.
go on as they are. Have we tried?
I don't think she'll fit either.
Yeah, no, we might drill it out now.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Dude, just buy the fucking $100
Nothing to be
ones.
safe.
I don't even see the
Alright, fuck, I'll look into it.
anywhere.
Fuck, I'll just look into it.
You suggest drilling it too? I think it's a bad idea.
Why?
I don't know, dude. It's just.
What the fuck's the problem? It's metal.
Not gonna lie, aren't those gonna be kind of hard to get on too with those on?
What?
I feel like we should have did that first.
Did what?
Before the girl now.
Got what on?
Again, then.
Fucking hold it for us.
Oh, never mind. I guess. All right, whatever.
Bitch.
Damn, these are two different things.
It's Fortnite time. I don't play with your girlfriend because she's really bad.
Cheers, buddy.
Every now and then I need one for squads because we're
Alright,
playing
we're not doing that today.
and we're
See you guys next
fucking-
time.